This is my independent review of the Ninja Woodfire 8-in-1 pizza oven. If you're passionate about making incredible pizza at home and want a versatile beginner-friendly oven, I've been using the Ninja Woodfire 8-in-1 pizza oven for over a year now, and it's been an absolute joy to use. In this review, I'll break down why this oven is so efficient, easy to use, and perfect for beginners. Plus, this oven isn't just a pizza oven. It does many other things. Whether you're cooking pizza, roasting veggies, grilling, or even smoking meat joints, this oven does it all. You can check out all of those features in my Ninja video playlist, linked in the end screen of this video. Today I'll focus on how it performs for pizza making. It has a compact and portable design and is easy to carry. It fits on any outdoor countertop or table. And it's electric, but it can only be used outside. It has a visually friendly digital control panel. The intuitive controls let you set the cooking function, temperature, and timer easily. It has a wood fire flavour option as well, and you can add a small amount of wood pellets that can be used with your pizza cook. This feature is optional, however, due to the speed the pizza cooks in this oven, I would be surprised if any of the smoke would infuse into your pizza in that very short time. For beginners, it takes away the complexity of using the traditional pizza ovens while still delivering professional quality pizza cooking results. One of the key features of this oven is its ability to reach high temperatures, making it ideal for cooking Neapolitan style pizza. It can hit up to 420 Celsius on the stone, which is critical for achieving that perfectly charred and airy crust that's soft on the inside and crispy on the outside. Although that temperature doesn't go as hot as the gas pizza ovens and the wood-fired pizza ovens, it's still able to replicate that high heat at that lower heat level. I don't know how it does it, but it does. It ensures the toppings are cooked evenly and that the cheese melts without overcooking. So it creates that authentic Neapolitan style flavour and texture in just a few minutes. For beginners, the high heat might seem intimidating, but its even heat distribution ensures your pizza comes out perfect every time. There's no need to rotate your pizza constantly, as the oven's design prevents hot spots. For example, when I use this oven to cook pizza, if I feel like I want to turn the pizza, I've never turned the pizza more than once in this oven, so it's very easy to use. Let me tell you why I'd recommend this oven to anyone starting their pizza making journey. The preheat timer beeps when it's ready, so you know exactly when to start cooking. The preset functions help you so that you don't have to guess. Just select the pizza mode and use the Artisan setting. That's the setting that gets the oven to its highest level for cooking pizza. Woodfire flavour control is handy for smoking meat, and as a newbie to that, I think it does it very well. Just add a small amount of wood pellets and it manages the rest. Top up when you need to. The removable tray and stone that comes with this oven makes cleaning easy, even after cooking at a high heat. My tip for getting the oven to its highest temperature is to keep this oven going after the preheat beeper goes off. I let this oven heat up for 30 minutes before I put my pizza in because I want to get it to the highest temperature. If you just put it in on the first preheat timer, it'll not be as hot as leaving it on for 30 minutes. So when that beeper goes off and it says add food, just leave it and wait 30 minutes. Make sure that stone gets as hot as it can possibly get. And these features make it nearly impossible to mess up your pizza even if it's your first time trying. So after using this oven for a year, I can confidently say it's one of the best investments I've made for home cooking outside. Not only has it made pizza cooking easy to do, its versatility means I've used it for roasting and smoking meat. Build quality has held up perfectly, and I love how consistent the results are. It's been left out in all weather with the cover on and it's still working fine. If you're someone who wants a reliable all-in-one appliance that cooks pizza really well, smokes and roasts meat, then this is it. The Woodfire flavour option adds an extra layer of depth to your food. And the high heat ensures great results. So there you have it, my 1-year review of the Ninja Woodfire 8-in-1 pizza oven. It's efficient, versatile and perfect for both beginners and experienced cooks if you've been thinking about getting one. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you've tried this oven yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell for more pizza tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.